right, well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm glad you guys were able to join us. I guess we'll jump right in here on what is ACH. You may have been hearing that term a lot more here lately from your brokers asking you to get on ACH, and we're going to kind of let you know why it's important. So ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse. We strongly feel that importers should sign up for their own ACH. Instead of writing a check to U.S. Customs, ACH allows payment directly from your bank account. Also, you don't have to write a check for your duties to your broker. It's just automatically withdrawn. It's a quicker, much more seamless process. And we really find that a lot of our importers that have switched are definitely seeing the benefits of making the change. So a statement is the means for triggering your ACH payment to Customs. The statement is provided to the importer by U.S. Customs, generally comes directly from your broker's software and is emailed directly to you. And it shows a list of the entries released on the same date and breaks down the duties and fees that are owed to U.S. Customs.